Hi, I don't know if you'll actually be able to hear this, but I want to know whether, what this might be. I'm thinking it might be the power supply, but I'll see if you can hear it. If I put you right next to my PC, turn behind me. There's like a squeaky, turn that way, it starts, turn around. Starts again. Yeah. They're just here. So right there, and then when I turn there, it starts doing it. It was doing this as well when I was playing Sakura Angels. Every time the every time I clicked it to make the words come up, it made that noise. So, do you have any idea what that might be? Thanks.